Ras Media eso abishafo yedemo eba Ras Media so na ye mamo akwaba titrew na ene ye nyina yenim de eko ewo Ghana maimu ene de eko sopa ne ensema e trend on the media at the point of political expediency, and it said maame na yefe ne Sedina Tamaklo abra NDC Court of Appeals obo krono bi ewo Maslock abra no ye panyina owo Maslock adwuma num no maame wei ene dwane call America say okwa akosa na ho yade okoe wa mabiem kotena mu a yedi na sem kura wo na chi enkopem se sabio na aban bedi akonya wie na mami asan abanachi mami ba na chi a yamfana nko prison one day po yamane tena fia pressure mounted on the social media and ayede mami echo prison basi 2 days na chi yete ya see ni case na wo court no appeal court kire se njina so titre bia onimu se yede bejira so abu anefo amana kwakoda afiase enti waye free onko abusia ensem we ya generate a lot of comment of comment on the social media. Many people enkrofo omukase edim ewo Ghana maimu bebre aba bonten aba bekasa. Now there is one person in particular nenseba okaye I believe say it is important say ye betie de okaye maame no your friend Jennifer Quinn or ye deputy communication director edema MPP amanyoko no or ye Ashanti region for paying for a MPP amanyoko ono ne kopie mu wo UTV so that chance at the chance romaso ana ejakwabra any NDC panelist any Alanchamantin UP panelist no mukoshia mu na busia when water beat you, when rain beat you, make you tell them say don't beat you. I say so bo I can say so abo. When water beat you, make you tell them say water don't beat you. Jennifer Quinn ebechire say on TV that she never knew say MPP amanyoko mumpa info binom abra MPP tia konwam amanfo adisika double salary omodi fo ye kwa akoche won ye de okoto na MPP fo binom so na mepa ache abuja maame na bie nsem agufo mpa enti be pese odi nyina ye nko ne nkonkotie asema maame we kaaye ye wi a na asan aba studio meso say like video na share comment mame na bomodren so be subscribe to the channel be kan busuako no Ras Media GH mame Diana Pia me mwako abapa yentie video emla sesia from the studios of UTV na yese mo abreso na witch hunting ka se me say bidie ni ka ma me genevi edi nyina je ne woman kwa de no ano ayi yase sabre no na mu se mu ye bibia keke na mo de aya makwese an ye ba ne jeli asemasi ne jeli NDC fonti no na man kokoba sa aya onwanwa e wo ruling ye ba ya onwanwa esa se ja court no kire say appeal court is higher than the high court almost say prosecutions sabre no and to me prove beyond reasonable doubt aya ne de assemble ba debi o assemble ba debi o asembeba debi abebubu on asembeba wa mo odi okay remis ahane nsa wo mkwa anwa teacher ma wontumi nsa na mo obo ye che no na mo obo ise be short so bia na na expectation ise de teacher ma wontumi wa akoto ise di pa no kuma confirm ukukukukwa di amen di pa ne ye okay e ma na che ba bi wo bia to da na ewade oyi wa free baby no do akọ baby asidanka ewade say ni case no na nye se wo no na akotu galamse be mum dwumadi ade ama no so adane ama obi aye ne yagina so o twamfie adu 20 years ena me nua bai ye mo oba adwuma ye me dama cause my ye boa society abai sesan ni bu akonta yes ye ka say 30 million
na abeda ho na ho dodo no ko hwe no ho yare aba wa ma oba no na se nyina dudu ti wi chi mu ahoho no ni na enu ani nansa the case has been acquitted and discharged ebi na mko kan ya nkofo na de wi tofo mo to se me meseme won ni asofo ni etie ni the new patriotic party nim say majority of them can read, write and understand obia so to ze say na sinem pa na sinem no ho hu say oh akwanya na ba menye de bire bi na dim na wo bi tai so wo san story for mame no bia dane hu futufu hene me kopa chew na me nema pani ye kam me kopa chew ma ni pass mesi we had our MPs on beka kire say double salary ani ye kan wase ye chew dai o me kopa ma pani ekufu ado a chew on say no boti afefe we ko me ko na ko fo me nsa na ehia wo we bon ko ma ye sere se ko ba so obo da ni say mo mfa no ko ye de me be ko that is how we when this support ya ba fe ni ya ni ne course school we ba kra de ne ba wo ho e na tra classroom and CBM as she is acquainted and discharged chama untumi emra de na ye ni nkaso wate afia ho pati ma ka kire wo kakra bi afia ba yo wate ba yo okay chama untumi ba yo okay
but what is the relation
on your so your political prison
what is the relation
ba yo okay what is the relation Sedina Tamaklo. But I saw Sika na kofa and I saw for chain. Now I saw Sika. And I said, be as a bubble for this cabbage I do not intend to disrespect. And the Yabe can I Zimbabwe for the Nako to me. You're charging. And what about one Tiapa some few weeks. She has
taking decision.
Not taking decision. What to corner be taking decision. Tina make me regional chairman.
I want to maybe some question be said.
Make me regional chairman. Na mo di case akwa me mo bi so asem. Ya ba mu fie mo twe. Good years. Make us am for bi nkoto wa bra onya hwe. Ya ntini anya hwe because ko fa give full goods in say wiem the chow pan na. Pacho. When some of us hear some of these things, it shuts us down. It doesn't break us, it shuts us down. We might continue. And feel what you know. And see, any case I'm obia. Omoba yam see we case ya kwente. Ya discharge you interested because obia you no wrong man kwan or you say there was no wrongdoing. But yeah there. E bi na can say. Asofo me papa no asofo ni we obi atum for me ntie no asechira na me kire we. Also say there was no wrongdoing. But yeah there's every wrong with it. What is say no? About to say e dey bonne.
Otie ruling now judges answer what can say. The prosecution could not prove
beyond reasonable doubt.
Just say abakwa du bofu no boko enyina so a ogina so so de boko edu otimi amoko edu a emu odu chesa semese na so beti Sedina Tamaklo kwa bi edi bo ni weni wa fom pa ntino
nti yemfa ne nkotum fie bi se na abaya sesa wade bem abaya sesa ya sesa niamam
abaya sesa ya
niamam pacho kasa ni edin agajo also why you happy who born some crowd out but I'm assuring you 2020 now ba betra ye no ba chi so
ba me dimo kawasa
am born some pow if you na sabe bi afo aso o bi na bi afo aso na wa mu kwa bi afo aso na ba ti papa de tie ni pacho o se aban kwa before that time aban kwa before that time who said the one about sere no be sere sa bi
I'm a happy woman.
Want to me and prove beyond reasonable doubt. Me wa. Who are you with teacher? Ma untu answer. Who do prove beyond every reasonable doubt? Me be papa. But outi chairman ko akoma to yemu. Okobo jay last statement also work hard and bring the party to power. Obi abetimi adwene bibi odwene me amanyoni. Me betina me mfa microphone sima no me bo gospel. E tu microphone no ko nso ye chi. Political party asam na me kan ha. It's a me assure me chairman na minim de make
ye hwe bibi abra na atemu no koso
kasa ye fi achew
na atemu no koso ni nyina
e je say no but obi wa ba ma woni skambo
na oni ha meba
wa ya de
meba na oni ha ana yebu asem no se se a wafi abrocha bedu no gwahunu say wabeyi no ho ano ono akasa ba beyi no ho ano
e na stop in the time ye friend na ba ye ba na such a judgment what stopped her from coming
sabre no na ebia oni ho ntimi ye bokọ edu na so mo abetua yi ne ho ano ade wo amose me na me fa ye nyem na me fa sika na mo se me di na ye sei na ye sei sa do oni we nya no sa
se no ba wa ko yi ne ho ano
oba bedru ye no
wa ko yi ne ho ano
bi phone no na camera me sa na wa ha no o da ba ko ye fita
diagram ya wo show any illustration ya wo I'm sure sometime will come you do the same illustration
that be beba me
I trust you no me to say no I trust you
enti wanya kwan church ni nsem
so me say no be church nsem no
beba wanya kwan a church ni nsem ama court na say saa brand ko adubofo na mmoko adu ni yete wura ho son
wa to fa me won kodi
eja wo bi entia
excuse me
mama sambam
o say anya no wo de question your statement na wo ka say de ba bia yetie ani ha abofofo di o man die no anu mo utie so ye di asem no ni ha wantimi anyi na no phone no kura na ha ba bia ye example na wo so ma want to be time I am 20 years no ne kotu galam say no utie judgment no ba ye nyina yakra
we no so no wo
to be yin no ne lawyer wahi ne lawyer asem ne da ne nimu ono ba kire sa ha ne ha no no so no lawyer ni
so no bo asem ni ba
ya ma judgment na wo
ma me no ya ma judgment no ya ma no ya mfra ne so ntia po wada emergency ambulance kura ba do fan ba bi oda kura nye 20 mi ma oba ga na esi otu hiche mo se no honam nye wa honhono wa dodo no honam dodo na mfini ba bi tutu no ontimi nko but wa tre hiche ma na so na nte no kokot abra ba ne starting na so ma ye dia ya nte ho hwe ya nte ho ma chi ya nte ho de nia asam se dia yo ko so ntimi kan wa
oba na nsen
oh
na o court
na o court
na saso
e dem pa so ni dim won say u bi sam say ya na senye e ya na senye ma mtuma party fo wo be dia ban udie omo aban ne political party ni we ni pa wo be di post pato ani diem dia akoso ya na senye bibi some party fo obana na me kan ye no
anu nie Jennifer unyi ni say it's an opportunity for Kenufurata to come because mama ni woni nti no high court me pacho high court
anya masam anyi masam se Kenufurata ba so anyi masam I'm funny ho I catch now when you must
any opportunity
what you want to be
maybe so
to me
to be say yeah say KBS say
no one when you address and fetch am to the number to
I think say time now am I
no mama mu nyina it's so briefly na me bomb so
we be say can someone episode
yes can ba mami no ni ha ntimi nya kwanya kwan ntimi enyi ono ane ho ano
na wo
ba bedu ye oyi a
na wo so na nya lawyer for mu di masoma ma hu se wo da kwa na wo matsam na masan ba e de odende de
so you no ebia ni sama me ebe ni ho
na obayi na no he
oh asem no ka no it goes a long way to buttress the point so wo mpe ma asem a na che so onu se
asem me na wo ka
ti na ono so anti ama and na no ba ye no and na no ba clearly so ma me ye ti ma how na o be your friend is for Ghana. And they are Ghana house. And OSP said they want to bring Kenufurata to Ghana to come and face the rigors of the law. And then also that the lawyers the lawyers can represent him. So one yes. What you go say? I know one yes. And then clearly one the entire also just Kenufurata so that at least no better no obetumi ni na say man we don't want a situation you don't want the lawyers na eventually no e be e want ko edu wi a won be ye hwehwe ma na obeka so asem da nti say na and clearly no appeals court a ruling say prosecutor and judgment no and I say case no present here say I think say we should respect the rule of law and now my way no clearly in the last month who send Ghana your court system here people are comfortable they themselves what do master court what do they result and a response it's and then also court no rule say so we case now what would the bar against Sedina Tamaklo now it was not convincing enough to sentence her to the years now they expected if there's some acquitting normal discharge now I think it's in order
and the binom can say, oh, because me kai pa platform ya so. Binom can say, mami ya bay here. Omo ko ko ti enkusiaga. Mo a e kan asem no. Do ma ka say
Oma na omo kasa no. Na omo nim say case no it was not well built and as no money. Ebia no man kasa no mukuko mo who himself. That is it. The political opponent knew very well say the case was not strong enough to sentence the woman. Do you think that one is also a possibility?
To this case was strong
enough. And then the room to me case now why you in who compare clearly so one who after the outpour the AC was sama boy na and you open about the catch no we are in this country and we are witnessing what is happening. Yen said now there and then mama Kasaba she has the opportunity to respond to issues. And the lawyers aka say there are no issues a convict no and I say clearly no build the prosecutor the case and so they have to decide. I think that I say yes he has politician so be sorry born in Sano born in Sano no catch also because e bia wo de o kasa anya me de and I say wo nya me fanti yan twutum na court no e grant sadia say the natural rule of law is no working and then I make a choice tell my to me na yet Ghana how we who ne ekoso e was sama boy after the rain need downpour no you realize that properties are lost if I talk deputy general secretary on Monday the charges against you was not about that's what the deputy general secretary said is that what the court said is that what the court ruled let's go according to what the court ruled
I know you say what the court
prosecutor the case no
because mama apple time me that see me bring your two topics are very
I'll just finish real quick also we na busuan sa we bonita go kan wan kan ya benyasa enya content afia kan se dia ja won say we show ya ya betina so enya kasa bia na betinya kan wa and anybody wa hwem for 16 years being comes if you han kwa mabaha 11 years en kan se mfia enya asem da bacho what men kasa wa o kasa kwa wo makwa na yenka to da opeso kwa so asem anya ha na be kwa
I don't be restricted.
You'll be restricted e be boa wan kasa nso se be ya obi a security agency bi am fa wonko it will be difficult for me somebody like me to go and sit on TV me mama or your software practice of penny or when you were flu me na be ma me na ba ni ku oye za true faith on jiri kokofo on entertain me na be ma on entertain we mi ana mkosi ni koye na yemi na busuafo me na ba no ye so ba e na me se fra him fi me na ba ye hema me na be mo so manhia otwafo manhia it is over common na me di na once me blend it through nimienu it will be very hard for me there are about to say me na me contract you say I will deal with that so for any ahim for how
me who ya nwa
how possible I have the video surprisingly me the video no to na me right up me the video no to na won say e come di nipa bebre so hu say me so to na bia person try wheat of kafro ani dim so smoke ya na bibi na nya mouse system na jai because ko di wi a ye mu bibi nya nsusu aso make kasa ne to say live program ya kate da internet etu de wa bon kwa wonim hwe no ko tape no de na make can say acheche ko so be a political party member not just a member of the national executive na make say the silence hour ba obi asusu say oman ni mu adwo one CSO so bi aka na wato mo bo ye tuja galamse no ma ko manu ato it was about chema wutumi ayede na koto e ma ahemfo so kwa de me kan wom tape no wa ha enye ye topic kam de ma boy sa ahemfo kwa de wutumi meka bi ko meka bi a political parties no ana say aban mu nkofo like omo kasa no ba kasa tie omo ti ahemfo kwa de wutumi meka bi ana asofo so kwa de omo ti meka bi na asofo na no mka galamse say ye me nwanwa say this time around they are cost omo nya de omo nka bi na ye ba power me 6 months obia o ye me dofo da makoma so mfi so wetinya frame to fu bia I'll block that person ti asema me kind I have the video I will send it to you our boy ti I'll block that person sabe ya the person ye so ye wi a na me bie ni pana na ye bi ye bon koma ye free bibi point of interest na de betwam I never mention one kwa TV no so ma mention one
send video no
I'll send it to you
na yemo
asama me kan ne say me party for e de omuntie no muntie ne ye ba be ma no ba so fugu no ma dane danto ahene no mo na e pacha o ma ye nua no ma NDC fo I said it and ye me kan but say me say na wone ahemfo ene asofo ma bodam na Ghana we bote ho se kom na di mo ni nipa ko mo chocho mo ne ba ko bi e so mo Nigeria ha o mo ye case to me so say me say ma ko da bi afia de ya asam kan say me say ma ko ye kromfo the training tie come poa some of them call there's a course yes I want to from a fankodi na ma kan say we na we ya share because there's a discussion in the system I can't you fa the queen si wo me yan kana sab we are na egu na ni say and then you have people who will be sending it to you you'll be explaining yourself me ko na nim tape no wasam nim so my right up beef tantan sakura man it mean them so ya na be post the video me WhatsApp start to be some say that here to be kon send man say yes wa ko ka say na ni pa no ka say wa ka say dey me nkasa sa e jam pa choma sene am na say dey me nkasa sa say me woni asofo awona ka say me ti ha no me na ba ma wonya 90 obenya 94 this year me papa me akokora ba o ye beba polygamy no so but what ya baba so wo hema no pay just na ya ofori wo hema wo de meto no wo de na ya do ba ya wo de ofori wo amamfo papa bi ka ho so ti ase nti me ani die kura nka me papa ene me na ba ma de o mu nyina hwe me betana na msori a minim kase ya ka kire me fon so ya wa da bi ni pa me fe no wase me ma me po ya she will be the first person to call me o hema na ho ye fe do asem we de nka aka ne si anka me pe as a mother eti me betana konso ni microphone echi I don't just talk because me person me kasa ti Ghana we bo hwe and they pick ye nyina ye no masemo sometimes so story ba na obi am post here and some e ka wa ha they twist it say ye komo say we to fena mo wo mo they should stop taking it because to me fa ye mu bi ye ni mo nyam ni credibility meto no ma ya de na me beto just because you are faceless people nobody can see you and sue you do things anyhow but ye mu bi no wo kan ya waka asem beto wo no kuro ntimi nia no ntia no eja me de ama o ma me nka masemo ama kanti o mo a o ma hwe no now eja
abusanfo yes mama Esther Keba no me wakwa ba yie pa so utie ni yie a utum se Jennifer Quinn ni bu afu pa because asem na asiaye ka obia nka bia ese Ghana fo mpanfo wana wakasa ye bam omunyina obia na adwen se onte hwea Jennifer ka ho asem no yetumi akosesa na no aten no into say ono no mom attract Ghana mpanfo asofofo ne the social yan can say the CSOs but what trend na say just say asem na ma me ne kan o kire say said they na before MPP wa man wa ban mu a na ado amamfo enam pa achew say yemfa simasi bone nche no mumfa we ni bone nche no munyae no ma monche no ntu munya ni say no ma me say onte ase die nti a ene the same thing na ekoso na Ghana fo yi omwani Ghana fo mpemfo yi omwani ti say de omunhu hwe ma mi ko kan asem we ya na ya twe na no akosi say ono no say so mo bedi akonwa NDC ni asofofo ene na asefo obetwe won aso ma me na nka sa asem no ba bia we ena Jennifer Quinn sign na no ewo nipa don emu na yemfa nsia ye koyanim still on Sedina Tamaklo se friend senyo ye ko na asem no so ye ko so dia na de na asie abusia me ka kiro before say asem we see ni padodo na akasa many people has comment about the case kwan yo mo fa so mudi asem no na akwa bi ye journalist ye de enyina so ye NDC ni journalist kese pa ye friend Jennifer Quinn sorry ye friend Nana Jantoa Ghana no ye adwuma wo Inshira FM ene oye adwuma wo Ahemfie TV no my papa de nkenim so ye NDC ni so we thought he would have come out to defend the NDC for the wrongdoing that they have done. But Papa Iba Bontra and Edija when the water beat you, make you tell them say water don't beat you. Me see Papa Iba Bontra or Tuja. utemi or tuja ja no a dren or to the makoma yura mahama. What the young conco tins or like a video na shema mina yanko yanim.
Anajantwa. Where is the Uhunu? As a Hunu big declare the team Korea Mafo. You couldn't go to Anajantwa. I'll come on here the radio station. So you couldn't go to you.
Nemum Kaise. Politicians Ghana ha. Dientia yetu abamu muno. Yetu abamano but yensheda ntia sie dientia yetu aba emano. Omai yetu abe wia eno ano no. Seni NDC abanko ade bibia ye NDC bia ye. Omune tiasie. Emre bia na MPP te so the same thing okwaka omune tiasie omune ti brofo omune nimnyansa jesa woka bibia ontiasie enne NDC for ye bibi ni e ka ho asema omutimi ka kyerem se mentia de na se omune all of a sudden ye ka bibi na etia aban NDC abrofo omune be trotro brofo ebi na be di watem ebi na we na so wa ye PhD wonim de wo keka na say all of a sudden ye nim de ekoso bia wo man ni mu ye ni experience bia ye ntimi mbu o man bia na de bia me kase President John Mahama Dr. Bawumia enye NDC ni MPP a ankasa bi omunyo bia so mu otumia ma President John Mahama enkote ne ho as independence obewi ni a Samose President John Mahama ana Dr. Bawumia omumu odu no mu influencer momu nkoti independence in terms of President John Mahama onko independence Dr. Bawumia onko independent no nhwe so wasa influence nana eye NDC as a party any MPP as a party ene momu enye tumi eye akwanya omu bruni paso ye ni o man na ete classroom ebi kra ye juniors eto omu nim nyansa nchen Ghana for dodon eye akwanya right now say NDC for na di asui na no minimum bia na yen bomudi and they didn't know me popular. They are popular because of a party. And today ni we amai no yes nkofobia diska na baiba no obetwam na no MPP for NDC for diska kokwasa sa abai foforo ba ya no betwam abai we buy and obetwam because osusu say the MPP for ne ye no nani a ode abre NDC for so enti NDC for na MPP sha say o masusu so ma diska no ye buy ya NDC buy ya no mbetwam eno mo so sha say o mu de o mani asi MPP for so ebi ni sa chema wuntumi dam yi enti ebe kwa NDC free so a MPP beba no so aba be chema wuntumi ne na busuafo ni nyina ne agya ho mu na afi wo mu so ani asi NDC for so enti wan pa ne eboa no okrom ha adan na mo me anyini sase ye mpanyifo enti when na de bia na Ghana ye kofam mpanyifo mienu a e wo se sabi mu yusu mu nyansa na mu di buo man no kase we aye we panyi ompe ego ahanta ne je ne ahomaso meye obi o kire meye obi sa enti who suffers ye ne sa koto abamomo ene atena se a obi aye din asofo nkasa imam nkasa ya ye din because ene di esi dachi se 2028 2032 ene MPP beba ye besa be kan ene die ye kan ya na why na ebre dede no mu ye no why na ebre this week nyade no matimi aye this week na ye kasa no e de be pa no matimi aye but ye hwe ene ani abre ene ye ku why because all of a sudden aban bi ba ne nkrofo obia ye okay yetia ana ye ka se John Mahama ye kromfo MPP fo omu ba ye omantimi anye John Mahama hwe John Mahama all of it having John Mahama nkrofo nso ba ya MPP fo ya kromfo ye be chi omatum enti ora de ni dede saa ye be ya ni achi omatum aban sesa omu nyina ye be yi omu adana ye be yi omu I'm sure says so Dr. Bawumia na beba 2028 and 2032 oba ye na de che ye na obesan MPP ni be a political prisoner mumfiri mu Why near disicano? Ghana near discano. Into oba te se what disika? Courts ashishema musu disika. All of a sudden, yes, we need sika. Yanya court nonso adie tuma hwehwema de brofo. Na me de bia na me kasa asemui. Unim de ente ha me no. To me eye Awurade Nyankopɔn dia. To me o eye Australia Nyankopɔn dia. Enti we judge ne ka my lord a ugina Nyankopɔn anamu. Adwuma me ye me gina Nyankopɔn anamu na me ye. Enti we judge. Yenim judges ne nyoma bia mo ye. Yenim but ejamu na mo to me but de minim ne se judge nso wu. De minim no. De minim se judge nso owu. De minim no. De minim se Australia Nyankopɔn ehye nipa akomam. Enti wo to me ye de ope. Me catch MPP before. Me see dem wo ye aban be sesa wo. Me kan. Me see dem wo ye a ye ka hwea muntie no. Enyoma be sesa, mere be sesa. Na mo be ye mmobo. Enkrofo ya na me sumo mu ni politicians. Mo hu mmobo che enkrofo bia politician. Mo hu mmobo minim MPs ni DCs a ene omu se no madi. Minim MPP. Na nse omu free so no. Ye wo MPP NDC phobia ekom di wo mo. Minim. I know. Omu free abemu ekoma sase do mo de ka ebi yare. Nanso Nyankopɔn ka insanke rade. Me catch MPP for. Mu lusu a nana janto a meye madwuma ye nyimadi. Se MPP e lusu a NDC lusu a megusu aye madwuma. What the difference? Se me pese me tena ahimfie ha 20-30 years kura metena. Ye nyimadi. Me nya nyoma ebe yimadi. Meye mesom. But wo unya adwuma nye. Because obi a woyɛ politician who we are unya adwuma nye. Ade na mama Ghana yete say NDC ni MPP fon kwa n'anim nyansei. Ade na mama Ghana yete say MPP ni onya tumi and NDC ni nya tumi a onim nyansa chen Ghana fo nyina. Enti de mo ye Ghana ye. Enti obi a nka ho asem. Chen NDC ba no obeye de ope, MPP ba no obeye de ope, no obi edisika che ne valco. Akrache for na net wo maboka ama sesei omusu se ye beto anaye nton. Valco enye Ghana for na net wo. This week ya nye ECG. Ya nkyere we kanko a ECG akrache for atena se edisika left and right. Ya nka ho asem. Why na fire ho bia fire ho. Me metena ha nkyerɛkyerɛ enkofo bi a PBC ni koko hu nsɛm ene yɛse koko so beti koko production no koko na eboa ye no yɛse ɛso ba beti production so beti ɛkyɛse ye koko na ne yɛkase ye koko wɔ man ni mu koko no se say nyina na enyini no ɛso tia na etie ɛmfa Ghana ni ho ɛmfa MPP MP ho ɛmfa NDC MP ho de form ho ne say yɛso ya ban ba ye baby ye ya ban ne wo so ye be de epe ye na tumi ni kutaye ha mo ho mmobo amanyofo ho mmobo mi ho mu sa obi a ni tumi eye fleeting utumi eye utumi ne ko the president John Mahama ene ye dey ko August and it means that President John Mahama tra 1 year 7 months enche na December 2 years aba nti na kan in fact they see 2027 mu a President John Mahama ni 2 minutes na be kofom because abra na NDC for no super mo flag bearer ya who be pain na de nti na ya mo nsua de but am nti ase enti Aristotle rhetoric triangle o ka bibi Aristotle ne panyi ni Plato osua kwan a Greek ni Roman no mu wo kwan a no mu fa so ebu aten na o say se nipa bia no enyoma miensa so bi ka asema enyoma miensa na wo so wo de hwe se ade na o ka no eye papa anase enye papa se wo hwe a ba ko of friend in Greek your friend ethos brofo ye ethics o se nipa bia kasa ye wo enyoma miensa ene ehwe ba ko eye ethics ye the ethical behavior nipa no our credibility ye ka credibility a nipa na o ka asem no ugini di nipa na o ka asem no ugini di the messenger nipa na oka so obi ka bibia hwe nipa na oka asem no nipa no asem na oka no ubetimi agini se yo sofo se yo de yo ni nyina no busa se saa de na oka no ugidi. We call it the message man asem na oka no the ethics obi ka asem ahwe ne credibility na no se na no sitie ye won krofo bi wo ha o mu ka asem a obeka se we die ene ye won krofo bi wo ho a o mu kasa o se akwa we die because oni credibility nti eka so obi ni credibility a e kire se nipa no enhyeda eni bibia obetim emudie bia obetimi aka se asem na o ka no ye begina di na da ye nye nkrofo bebre mu ka kire na na janto oni credibility nso wani anu muti enkofo bebre mu se maba himfie ebegu nso de bia me wi anu matwa me content obi eni wo fa wo ho nso me kasape na na janto anko aka na ba be story die ntia because you know why because amanyofo ni nya na nka memia ma no amanyofo ni nya na nka memia ma no obenya na nka memia ma no na me nkasa amanyone both MPP ni NDC omenya na janto amia na no kekeo enti efra bibi organized flack ni nie ene se omunim se na janto asem o kan ye no kre ba yen hyedam penkrofo bi emrambe attack no enti social media obon se NDC ena me kaseti a wo mu a na NDC fo ne dodo na ba no ma be di watem no ma yenti wo hwe social media abeka se asem na o ka no ba sa de no minim dada enti wo ya na ye mesre de wo sa me keka bi kire na me so ma keka bi a kire no ye wi ane ekọ MPP ena MPP no ma be trotro metiase de obeye me a ebe ka me no na me so ma keka bi a kire no ne awie ne ekọ obeye se me PhD na me so ma ka kire obitimi ka kire se onya PhD ni won me se o papa na de ma mi o papa ena de ma ne ma wie. Because the point is that apart from say me buade no mani so hye edin me katanga ni o ti so bi din komo na nipa na asem na o kan no say me feel say enya bibia na me feel say ebi wo wa nkrata asesen ene ne fa ni logos logic
enti asem akwa kan ya ka bre say send this for bana omo ma mo promises na eya na e wo senka nipa da sani ntumi ntenase na onye critical thinking e wo de omo ka ho because nkrofo yi bo mo de share ye ne de omo ye de akwakwa say it is two different things completely na ya na me ya say nkrofo we fe na omo kasa. I wonder why they are talking today, because the time that they needed to talk no they never talk, they kept their mouth quiet. And then omo ahyanse omo kan sem no said the city and fata say obi adi sika dodo we nyina 90 million Ghana cedis na yesi yema nipa no nko na obi o ha na obi sa da bi o yesi Sedina Tamaklo e wo senka ye ntum na de ntie wo se bi o kura na onim the case itself the person nyanto wase na untie this editorial Paul Adumo chiriye ya o chirechirem adwuma boni ni sika kwanya maame we fa so edi Ghana fo ye sika yenti video we na yesamra
90 million Ghana cedis is what is at stake.
Yes, over actually.
Over 90 million.
Let's just say 90 million.
This is how much Sedina Tamaklo was charged for. 90 million Ghana cedis.
That is so.
By today's reckoning is about
that's 90 million Ghana cedis.
I mean if like 12 divided by 12 is the dollar. I'm going to the dollar denomination.
That's why I read law in university.
I think viewers can calculate and let us know, those who are very
I'm sure it will be about
divided by 12.5. If you are using Governor Siama's rate or you are using Gideon Baku's rate, you have to decide which one. Okay, so at least $8 million.
Yes,
for Sedina Tamaklo. So it was being tried for appropriating $8 million of Ghanaian taxpayers' money.
That's so.
Okay, so
some are appropriating, some willfully cause financial loss.
So details. So what's the story?
So the accused person, Sedina Tamaklo, was accused of various acts, and it's not as if the 90 million was there and then one day she went to take it. There are various acts. One, she was accused by the prosecution upon investigation by Iyoko of appropriating the sum of 500,000 Ghana cedis, which sum was a refund from an investment fund that Maslock intended not to invest anymore. And so what had happened was that Maslock had given the money to a group of persons for investment.
Maslock's money given to an investment platform.
And
Maslock went back for the money. But they will not invest anymore.
Yes, they were not comfortable with the rates. With the rates
so they won't invest.
Yes.
And that money she took.
Exactly. So it is alleged that she took the money, instead of the money being refunded to Maslock properly so called. One of the witnesses who worked for the investment company alleges that he met her at a filling station around Bachuna and gave the money in a Ghana must go upon pressure given to him by Sedina Tamaklo.
That bring me the money,
physical cash.
So that was 500, and then the rest was...
And then the other, so some was that money that was appropriated for Kantamanto fire victims upon the direction of President Mahama. There was a fire at Kantamanto. President Mahama directed that some money should be paid. It was appropriated. It was alleged
it was paid from Maslock to fire victims.
You know, Maslock is responsible for government supports.
Okay.
So for the poor, for petty traders. Yes. And so this is an example. It may be standing or it may be pursuant to the president's order because it's an agency under the executive.
But how did she take that money?
And so the money is dispersed. The money was dispersed for the victims. However, it would seem that it never reached them. And so administratively, the money was diverted to another account. So that is one. Another was some money that was budgeted for the purchase of certain cars, and it was inflated. The market rates was not what the vehicles were purchased for. It was actually purchased way higher than that. And where did the money go to? It's alleged it went to Sedina Tamaklo. Another one was purchase of mobile phones. It was the market rate was about 24,000 Ghana cedis, and yet it was inflated to close to 98,000 Ghana cedis. Where did the money go to? It was alleged that it went to Sedina Tamaklo. Another is
she was convicted with another person.
That is so.
Yes.
One
who was charged, who was convicted for 5 years in jail, but who is also on a bail pending appeal. Okay, all right. So what did the judge?
He did 2 years.
He said,
and then he was granted bail.
Yes,
and so he's out pending the final determination of the appeal.
Okay. But now with this Sedina appeal, he probably has a good case before the Court of Appeal.
Most likely. So and then also there's money laundering, and so once the monies were appropriated, there has to be a way to, and so it was also alleged that she laundered the money. However, the court ruled that since the substantive offences could not be made out, then obviously the money laundering charges will also fall off.
Which court of appeal?
The Court of Appeal, that's what I mean.
We'll get there. We'll get to that. I just want us to know what the High Court said. So now let's understand why did the High Court convict her? What did they say?
So all these individual acts are grouped under three main heads that come under three thematic areas that we are calling the first case before Her Ladyship Justice Ifya Sewa Asarebutri. And so what was the basis for the initial conviction, right? So, as I mentioned earlier, the appropriation of 500,000 Ghana cedis. So, I've already given the facts, right?
Yeah.
Now,
but you're talking 90 million or so 500.
No, this is one.
So $500,000.
500,000. No, it's Ghana cedis.
Okay,
it's Ghana, but I'm sure it was a misnomer. Okay. So you notice here it's cedis.
Okay, all right.
No, this is so there are others. We'll get there.
Yeah.
So this is one. And the reason this is here is because the way it came was quite interesting. So what had happened was that after Sedina Tamaklo, after it was alleged that Sedina Tamaklo gave pressure to the investment company to refund the money to her personally, they met at a filling station, and then one of the staff of the company gave the money in a Ghana must go to Sedina Tamaklo. Now, they felt that there's a problem, and the problem was that they had to refund, they had to be given a receipt. Please leave the touch screen.
Okay.
Please leave the touch screen. They had to be given a receipt, right, to show proof of the fact that the money had indeed been returned.
Yes.
So when the receipt was issued, it was issued and signed by Sedina Tamaklo. Now, interestingly, when she was queried about it, she mentioned that, and the quote is here, I cannot vouch that the letter was signed by me, even though the signature looks like mine. I cannot vouch that the letter was signed by me, even though the signature looks like mine. So in this instance, the allegation is that, one, you appropriated this money, and then two, that's based on your instruction, and then you signed a document, right, purporting to receive it on behalf of Maslock.
Yeah.
The signature looks like you. Two persons have come forward to say that you were the one who appropriated the money and you signed. You yourself have also admitted that the signature looks like yours. And so the judge looked at all these things to say that, okay, if you have admitted that the signature looks like yours, like your signature, and two independent persons have said that you signed and gave this to them, then obviously you were the one who signed and you were the one who appropriated it. More particularly so when Maslock said they could not find any such money.
So this on that one. Do you have another one?
Yes. So this another.
Let's speed it up so we can get.
This another claim about a sum of 1.7 million Ghana cedis for the sensitization of 85,300 beneficiaries of a project. Now, she alleged that indeed the money was appropriated and used for the sensitization project.
Appropriated and also used.
Yeah. So when I say appropriate, I mean taken and used for the project, the sensitization.
Yes, that they did the work.
They did the work.
Yes. Okay.
But Justice Efia noted that there were no pictures of the event. There was no proof of the training, because the plan was that for these 85,000 persons, there was supposed to be 20 CDs TNT given to each person, as well as the provision of certain kits and feeding for them. There was no proof. There were no proof of receipts of the feeding. There was nobody came forward to testify that I had been given this money on this date pursuant to this training.
In her defense, she didn't present.
There was nothing of the sort.
So the prosecution suggested to her that there was no training ever.
There was no training ever, because if you, Paul Adomotri, are saying that I took 100 CDs from Metro to do a training for Good Evening Ghana staff, you can call Ikuya or Mumin to come forward and say that,
did you not participate?
I participated. Okay. And they can even say, oh, these are selfies we took.
And they can cross-examine them to see whether they are lying or
there was nothing like that.
Okay. All right. Somebody is sending me a text and saying that at the time Sedina's case was on, the dollar was not what it is today. It was 6.
It was 6.
So our calculation
it would even be more.
Yes, it will be about 11 million.
Yeah, it would even be more.
Okay, so let's run through the charges and we get to today. What happened today?
Okay.
So you have so all of this put together. What did the judge, apart from the individual, how many witnesses were called by?
There were 7 witnesses called, and unlike other matters, let me be a bit mischievous. Unlike other matters, these witnesses were not procured to secure a conviction against someone.
Okay, so they were not being prosecuted with her.
So that they were being chased, and then
so these are the witnesses.
This PW was
Stephen Amwa is the chief executive officer of microfinance and small loans.
So he spoke to
Stephen Amwa was the MP,
yes, but
this is sticker.
This sticker, but you need him to speak to the fact that the funds were missing.
Okay, so he's the
official
Maslock.
Yeah,
he's
exactly.
the kind of complainer.
Exactly.
Okay. So Samuel Kwanzaa is what, accountant board member of Batampa Microfinance. That's where they did the deal. Okay, and then Seth Obu GSC is a traditional ruler and farmer. Okay, and then there's Samuel Nikwe is a driver at Maslock. Was he the one driving the car at the Bachuna Total thing?
Well, yes, and then other rounds,
and
money,
he came to testify against her boss that he collected money.
Other money rounds. So it seems that he did with. He's alleging that it
then
was
Francis Bando, head of finance at Maslock,
obviously,
and then Philip Bafwewa, chartered accountant and managing director of Bafwewa and Associates, managing partner. Yeah. Okay, and then field desk officer Kodria Baswa Benyin Chum. Okay, so these are the witnesses that were called. All right. So in the end, what did the judge say?
So the judge said that, one, based on the evidence that was produced, sums of money were lost. Now, that is a fact that cannot be taken away. Sums of money were lost. The question is, where did the money go to? There were witnesses, for instance, Samuel Kwanzaa and co, who came forward to say that the monies were traced to one person, who, the appellant, Sedina Tamaklo, and consequently, she is the person who was, and that's also because she absconded.
Yeah, that's what I'm coming to. Viewers would like to hear the real story about this, because it's been said that during the trial she left the country upon permission, and the Attorney General granted it, that she was going for medical something checkup, and she didn't come back. At which point of the trial did she leave?
It was during the prosecution's case.
After the prosecution was still making their case.
So in the
witnesses were being called.
Exactly.
Is it okay to suggest that maybe she realized where this was going and tried to find a window of escape?
Well, that's what, but you know one thing about the law is that they are blind to these things. But it's possible that looking at the way things were going, as she saw the evidence and how it was coming, there's a possibility. She said that actually.
Okay, but the Attorney General granted her permission.
Yes, so she applied to the High Court for leave, and the High Court ordered that her passport be given to her. And in fact, that day it was adjourned to the next legal year.
Oh, I see. So enough time.
So
like about this time.
Yes,
where the legal year is ending now till October. So that they expected that by October she'll be back.
Yes, so she left 21st of July. 21.
1st of July.
21st July 2021.
Okay, 21st July. Oh, towards the end of the legal year.
Yeah, so basically, you know, at that time.
Yeah.
So she went abroad for the medical checkup, and it seems she didn't come. The interesting thing is that the extradition process, which was commenced, it would seem that the judge in the US agreed that indeed her conviction was not politically motivated, and it was based on that the extradition request was granted, and she was brought back to Ghana to face
So since July 2021, she's not been in Ghana.
So she was brought
till recently.
Yes.
Or even recently she was brought. I have to remember that.
She was brought.
We have to show viewers the Martin Pebu video. It's very important. We'll show viewers that one.
Yes. So she was brought.
Okay.
So in the Nevada detention center.
Let's look at the timelines then. Then we come to today. People are in a hurry to hear what's happened today and how we relate to it. So
so
you have to open the folder.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Yeah.
So we called it the Sedina Tamaklo, the tug of war with justice. So this starts 2013 to 17.
She served as CEO of Microfinance and Small Loan Center. Alleged offenses: misappropriation of public funds, procurement breaches, money laundering, and occurred during her period. That's what they said. And then the arraignment was on 30th January 2019, arraigned before the High Court's Financial Division on 78 counts, including conspiracy to steal, stealing, causing financial loss to the state, improper payment of public funds, money laundering, breaches of the Public Procurement Act. And then in 2019, she was granted permission to travel abroad. You said 21. You have
21.
It's 21. Okay. Yes. So in 2021, she was granted permission to travel abroad for medical reasons. She left for the US and never returned, leading to the courts to continue the trial in absentia. When they say they continue the trial in absentia, are lawyers allowed to work in the trial?
Yes. There was one like that where we had the clients against all our advice went to the US and did not come. It was during the pendency of a trial.
You're talking a personal case that you can speak to?
Okay. Yes, so we advised him to come. We said he should go. We gave him warning. He went and he didn't come back. We continued. So we came as if, and then it is, we will work as if.
So you cross-examine?
Yes.
And you bring your witnesses?
Yes, but for criminal matters, it is important, even when the judge doesn't sit, the accused person must come, and what the clerks will do is that the clerks record the accused person as present, even if the judge, nothing happens.
Okay.
So criminal matters, the person is his.
But so now, as a criminal matter, she wasn't there. How did his lawyers work?
You are cross-examining the other side.
So the lawyers participated fully
to cross-examine the other side. But if you are not there, how is your evidence going to be?
Yeah, but the lawyers can call her witnesses.
You may call your witnesses, but if the person himself, the best,
So she never got to the place where she was being cross-examined?
No. So in fact, that's why it was during the pendency of the prosecution's case.
Okay.
So Justice Ifeanyi mentioned is that it would have been great for her to answer those to some charge, but it would seem that because of
didn't the lawyer say let's send her a questionnaire or something like that? It didn't come up.
Someone who has run away.
Once you have still unwell.
Once you have run away, then if she was still unwell, a special process could have been. There could be proof. There could be.
But doesn't anyone guarantee for her when she's traveling? Doesn't anybody say like a condition that I guarantee that she'll be back, something like that?
In Ghana, often these things, once there's even someone who decides to guarantee and the person decides to abscond, you cannot go and arrest the person.
Yeah, but there should be something like that. And maybe some properties, that
will be. I'm not aware of.
The state will take these properties.
I'm not.
We know that it's 90 million, like the bail.
That's like bail, but I'm not aware of in this
particular
case,
instance.
in this
Okay.
particular instance.
We don't want to run out of time. All right. So this is what happened.
Convicted,
Et cetera, et
extradition,
cetera. Okay. We have the
return.
extradition. So 2024, Ghana formally requests extradition from the United States. On 6 January 2026, arrested in Nevada by U.S. Marshals. On 9th April, U.S. magistrate judge certified extradition. On June 8th, surrendered to Ghanaian authorities. The first successful U.S. extradition since 2009.
US Ghana extradition.
U.S. Ghana extradition. Okay. So arrived in Accra aboard United Airlines flight. So taken into custody to serve a sentence. Defense lawyers pressed her appeal, arguing prosecution failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. Okay.
And we are here today.
So now today.
So this acquittal.
Acquittal. 30th July. Ghana's Court of Appeal unanimously, 3 judges all said so, quashed her conviction and sentence, acquitting and discharging her of all charges. Court ruled prosecution failed to substantiate the claims. Found trial judge overlooked
trial judge overlooked constitutional
they
presumption.
found that the trial judge, the High Court judge, overlooked constitutional presumption of innocence. Okay, so let's talk about today's ruling.
Okay, so for today's ruling, it was an interesting ruling that has evoked discussions today.
All right. Okay.
This is the wrong foot. Let me
get it. Our viewers here, we're trying to get you the ruling for today. And if you are still watching, which camera are you looking at? Okay, if you are still watching, lawyer J. Bafo is in the studio. He'll be joining us in a minute to deal in some particular detail. We have a video of his where the lawyer J. Bafo had predicted what was going to happen. It looks like that's what is happening now. Okay, so you can take that out of the video. Let's move on.
So this is the page the front cover. There's no need.
So the judges are Emmanuel Ankama J.A. He presided.
Yes.
Samuel Obin Diewu J.A. and Emmanuel Senyo Amedahe. Okay, J.A.
So Justice Ankama wrote the judgment, and then Justice Obin Diewu and Justice Senyo Amedahe agreed.
Associated with. Okay, what did they say?
Okay, so I would skip all of this since the board approval, and these are the things.
But give us the germane stuff. What did they say?
Okay, so they noticed that if you look at the offense of willfully, all the offenses concerning willfully causing financial loss to the states, they were not particularized enough to give the accused person notice of the nature of the offense. So in law, what does that mean? So when we accuse, we'll say that count 1, say stealing, okay? Then they'll say that you, Kwekwa Preko Japan, on so and so date within the jurisdiction of this court, did dishonestly appropriate a mobile phone.
But is that not the particulars of the offense?
That's the particulars of the offense.
Yeah.
So here, the court noted that if you look, I lifted this for reference. If you look at the statement of the offense, it's willfully causing financial loss to the state, contrary to section 179A, 3A of the Criminal Offences Act. So and so. And then the particulars is Sedina Tamaklo at Sionu on or about 15th July 2015 in Accra, in Greater Accra region, willfully caused financial loss of 20,000 Ghana cedis. This is just one. There are multiple.
Yeah, okay,
but I'm just using for example.
Okay.
Right, there are 78, but
so every count has the statement of offense and the particulars of offense. The Court of Appeal was not happy with the particulars of offense.
Exactly, because the Court of Appeal noted that if you look at the wording, it says willfully caused financial loss of 20,000 Ghana cedis. How was it? Was it an appropriation?
Is that not what the witnesses
was it a botched contract? Exactly. So the court reasoned that the charge should have displayed that was it an appropriation of the 20,000 Ghana cedis, i.e., did you take the 20,000 Ghana cedis?
Yeah, but that's still.
Was it a contract?
At that stage, is it not still? It's still theory, isn't it? It is when the court starts and then witnesses come and speak to the fact. That's when you are getting the practicality of it.
Exactly.
So why is the Court of Appeal not telling us whether the witnesses were able to discharge their obligation as prosecution witnesses or not? Should that not be what the Court of Appeal should be telling us?
And I agree. I agree in that sense. I do not think that this was insufficient notice to do away with the substance of the charge sheet or the legality of the charge sheet. And the reason is that this is how a case is structured.
Did the Court of Appeal deal with the witness statements?
Yes,
to say that they were not sufficient and that they did not convince the court, or they ought not to have convinced the court because they didn't say yes. They did that.
Yes, those are other. So this is one ground and then those are other ones. Now, the reason I disagree with this ground is that when a trial starts, the prosecution will come and mount its case. Now, yes, maybe sufficient particulars were not given, But in teasing out these particulars, in teasing out the substance of the offense, the prosecution will call witnesses. The prosecution will give evidence. The witnesses and the evidence and the witness statements and all these things should be able to give the defendant notice.
But the story you said is quite detailed and for every child to understand. Mm-hmm. In the case of the 500,000, you take 500,000 to go and invest on platform A. Mm-hmm. You decide, or Maslow decides that we don't like the terms of the investment. So platform A, return the money to us. And that money is returned to you cash in Bachona total.
Ghana must go.
And Maslow doesn't find it. What more evidence does anyone need to suggest that the offense was not particularized?
So he was saying that, my lords were saying that based on these facts, they must have been more specific in couching the particulars of offense.
Yeah, but is that the reason why an obligation in criminal prosecution is not discharged?
No.
Is that the reason that you were supposed to write Sedina Tamaklo, but you wrote it another way? But when I came to the court, I said Sedina Tamaklo, so and so and so, and showed what had happened. And anyway, I'm sure that
at the end of the day, they should have just asked the question
for people to talk about.
Just ask the question. They said that, did you have notice? Did you have sufficient notice of the case the prosecution intended to mount?
But the lawyers
based
tell
on
us
these
that the Court of Appeal is not retrying the matter. They are assessing the ruling.
That's what I'm saying. That based on the ruling, they should be able to tell, based on the ruling and the procedure, the proceedings. They should be able to ask themselves a question and then satisfy themselves as to whether or not a reasonable defendant would have had notice per the facts and evidence led by the prosecution.
Soon thereafter, the Attorney General says that he is going to appeal the matter. How did the lawyers receive that?
Some people said the settings are PR.
I've seen that. Joy FM actually used that. We have it. People are saying that this is settings and PR.
Because interestingly, if I could go back, there are other claims that we could do.
Yes, abusuafo nti sɛ deɛ mu nyina mo ho no ya maame no wadiska pa ye kasika about 90 million Ghana cedis enye sika ketwa but ye wura mahama tumi afa kwan bi so krono kwan bi so yen kan sɛ clearing agent kwan bi so e de atwitwa age maame wo ya na me no kasai maame wo ya wadi sika dodo we nyina achi no ya setre ni free a ontua hwe ya man punishment bia okwa akoda free na ya semo in all this no eneda bia me no kasai obi a okasa wo e wo social media so kora etumi kwhene de netum e ma ne yeye etumi ma ne wanyia but enne udi Ghana sika wadi ni free yenya wo hwe same when na maboabo no se pese memra na memfa ene mo meche unfortunately ene a particular day I cannot stay longer and hope so chanya nkopon ya adoma yebetumi aye very nice show together me de mo besi ya na ochna ya san ya hia biem me de nchia kese ma me maame Esther K badi ma maame Diana Pia sanso na maame Vivian Kuma ena amewia Ben Simpson ono so me chia ne yepa me da mo nyina se busuanfo me de mo besi ya na ochna ya san hia until we meet again adios.